In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Merchant Center next account suspension for misrepresentation. If you found yourself facing this issue, you're not alone, and I'm here to guide you through a clear and concise process to rectify the situation. First, open up your browser and type in www.google.com/retail. From there, click on Sign In and select Sign In to Merchant Center. Once you're in, the first crucial step is to understand why your account was suspended. Google's misrepresentation policy can cover a range of violations, so it's important to identify which specific issue applies to your account. Google outlines a few common violations. First up, untrustworthy or unavailable promotions. This typically involves advertising deals that are misleading or promoting products that are out of stock. Make sure that any offers you are promoting are available and genuine. Another common problem is the omission of relevant information. This means that important product details like pricing, availability, or shipping costs are missing. It's vital to ensure all this information is accurate and complete on your listings. Next on the list is misleading or unrealistic claims. These occur when ads or product descriptions exaggerate the benefits of a product or service without evidence to back them up. Aim to keep all claims realistic and verifiable to avoid this pitfall. Lastly, inconsistent business information can also lead to suspension. Discrepancies between your website and Google Merchant Center account details can raise red flags, so double check to ensure everything matches up perfectly. Once you've identified the issue, the second step is to rectify it. You'll want to focus on fixing your product feed. Ensure that all product prices, availability, and descriptions match what's currently displayed on your site. If there are any unrealistic or misleading claims, remove or update them to align with the truth of your offerings. With all these corrections in place, it's time to appeal the suspension. Navigate to the Account Issues section within your Merchant Center account, then head over to Products and select Needs Attention. Here you'll find the option to click I disagree with the issue. Before requesting a review, it's important to provide a clear and honest explanation of why the issue should not apply. Outline the changes you've made and how your site is now compliant with Google's policies. Finally, when you're confident that your explanation is thorough, click on Request Review. By following these steps diligently and maintaining a high standard of transparency with your listings, you're setting yourself up for success in resolving the suspension. Stay patient during this process, as it may take some time for Google to review your appeal, but with these carefully executed steps, you can improve your chances of having your account reactivated and continuing your advertising efforts without any future interruptions. Good luck!